Chinese Lunar New Year. Year of the Rooster. Chinese people across the globe are celebrating the Lunar New Year. The New Year, which officially starts on Saturday, is China's primary annual holiday and is traditionally marked by riotous displays of fireworks and countless firecrackers. According to the Chinese zodiac, people born in the year of the rooster are brave, responsible and punctual. Millions are expected to attend the festival across the world over the next 2 weeks, in one of the largest celebrations of the event outside of Asia.